Hello friends, thank you for clicking in this video. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can find the friends from Kakaotalk. You can see the apps. So simply click on it. Okay, and go to Discovery. You can see here Discovery. Okay, you can see Discovery and find the hashtag. That's why people. Okay, friendship, friends, friendship. So no result. So how can you find the chat group? So Discovery, and you can see a lot of friends, a lot of group on this. So I got a lot of I got a couple of friends from this group. Okay, so you can also try, then you can find there. Okay, just okay, this group, and join this group. I group in this account. Okay, so after getting this, go to hi, then those who are member in this group, they will replay in your question. Then you can be a friends with them, you can make a friendship with them. Okay, so yes, then uh, after few minutes you can friend with them. So you have to make your ID. So when you send your ID to them, then they will search according to your ID, and then yours will be friendship, make a friendship. Okay. So this is the very good feature. You can find a lot of friends in this uh, chapter. Okay, you can see there are a lot of friends. Okay, friends, you can try your own account.